Hello everyone, this is Panda from Ningbo Changlong, and this is my old friend Junaid. Welcome to our live room. Today we will introduce our hot ceiling product. Hi Junaid, can you help to introduce my factory?
Sure. Our company, Ningbo Changlong Lighting and Electronic, is located in Shidian town of Ningbo, which is 50 kilometers away from Ningbo Airport. We are specialized in manufacturing emergency lights, rechargeable fans, and smart appliances. We have more than 30 years experience in designing and producing with the help of strong and qualified technical team, which ensures the delivery of best quality. Company has been awarded with its various certifications like ISO 9001, ISO 14000, and BSCI. At the moment, 700 employees, including 40 technicians in the company. Our annual turnover is around 30 million US dollars. Our company is strong in technology and have a very good production capability with the fresh and attractive styles, elegant appearance, and reasonable prices. Our products are very popular in Middle East, Southeast Asia, South and North America, and Africa. We can do OEM as well as ODM. Company also has its own designers, engineers, injections, PCBs, and assembly lines. We can surely meet your needs and provide what you desire.
Thank you. Zili.
Okay.
Hello, Juliet. How
Hello.
are you?
Hello, Susan.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Fine, thank you. So now let me introduce our camping light.
Sure.
Yeah, the first one is our Superstar products. This one portable for any market, as this one have PC material, and this have a hook. Can hang on the tent in the tent, and this handle and the bottom have the rubber protected, so
Okay.
it's very strong.
Okay.
And so now let me introduce this function. This lantern have a emergency function. If now we don't collect the electric power, so it can work it.
Okay.
The first switch is on and off, and the second one high and low switch. And this lantern have emergency function. Let me show it.
Okay.
Now this red LED shows we are charging this lantern now. So this lantern cannot work. But when power off, this light
Can work.
turn on. Yes,
Okay.
can work. So it's the emergency function. And also this lantern can collect the solar panel. Connect the solar panel charge for this lantern at under sunshine and work at night.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yes. And also this have a USB socket. It's like a power bank. Can support to other products work. To it. Now this light can work. So also can charge for the mobile phone. So it is very useful.